Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning right now. Me and Cooper just came for our walk, and this is how Cooper stares at me while I'm doing my work. He makes me feel guilty for not playing with him, and I have no choice other than playing with him. And look what he's doing over here. He's just trying to steal the bottle from the balcony, and I'm sure he will steal it and try to run away. It's time for another walk for Cooper. Cooper is just staring at the cow right now. I don't know, he might bark or not. I hope he doesn't bark at the cow. A cow is approaching Cooper, but I think Cooper hasn't noticed it yet. I don't know why he barks at the cow. He does that every time actually. I just tried to sneak in and take that toy away from him, but as always, he gets to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.